Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Celsius lawyers claim users gave up legal rights to their crypto. Lawyers for the bankrupt crypto lender reaffirmed that user funds essentially belonged to the company and not the user, with potentially one major exception. Celsius 1.7 million registered users across over 100 countries gave up title to the crypto they deposit into earn and borrow accounts, according to the firm's lawyers. At the first bankruptcy hearing for Celsius on Monday, lawyers from the Kirkland law firm led by Pat Nash detailed how retail users with earn and borrow accounts transferred the title of their coins to the firm as per its terms of service (TOS). As a result, Celsius is free to use, sell, pledge, and hypothecate those coins as it wishes. However, a legal question has arisen about whether custody account holders retain the title for their assets. Celsius TOS claims that the firm cannot use coins in custody accounts without user permissions. Still, lawyers questioned whether this holds for crypto that the firm is currently in possession of. In their overview of the case, they asked, are the crypto assets in Celsius possession property of the estate? Is the answer to this question different for crypto assets held under the custody versus the earn program? The custody program was launched in April for non-accredited United States investors, as some states across the U.S. issued cease and desist orders on Celsius' earn program. Celsius paused reward and withdrawals for all users on June 13 and have since paused margin calls, liquidations, and issuing new loans. Attorney David Silver summed up Celsius' claim to users' funds in a Monday tweet. He wrote the users should stop thinking of it as your crypto, because it technically all belongs to the firm. According to a tweet from Financial Times reporter Kadim Saber, Nash proclaimed that Celsius users would be interested in reading out this crypto winter, and let Celsius hold funds rather than sell. He added that this strategy would allow users the opportunity to realize their recovery through an appreciation in the crypto macro environment. Essentially, Celsius would like to wait for the market to turn around before selling to ensure it can stay afloat. They pay off users with assets that have more value. The firm also claims that it can sell Bitcoin (BTC) that it mines through its subsidiary mining operation to pay off debt. Celsius CEO Alex Manshinsky affirmed in a bankruptcy filing document that his company planned to generate about 15,000 BTC through 2023. But David Silver was dubious about the claim. Silver appeared in a Twitter Spaces after the hearing concluded. At about the 1:07 mark in the conversation, He stated that Celsius's claim of being a Bitcoin mining company is disingenuous. Can you imagine right now that Patrick Nash basically and the Kirkland lawyers have now
So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.